All right. Ooh, new seatbelts. That's nice. Oops. Woohoo! Yeah! So I guess you could actually say this is no longer Hurler 2.0. Well, it is Hurler 2.0 because it's its own layout now. Right. The fresh green paint looks really nice. I like that. Nothing beats the look of a brand new looking train. Alright. Woohoo! And there's the new track. Oh man, that's a difference. That's a really big difference. Yes. Great ride. They actually did more track work than I expected. It's not just the drop. They did some of the turns. They actually did a lot of the low to the ground turns. And I think they reprofiled a hill while they were at it at the same time. Overall, really impressed. Once again, very impressed. This is just one of the many things that they did to improve Discovery Meadow from its predecessor.